If you need to remove a card from your Fifth Third bank account, follow these straightforward steps to ensure a smooth process. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the Assurance.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to Card Management. Once logged in, locate the Account Services or Card Management section. This area allows you to manage your cards and account settings. Step 3. Select the card to remove. Find the card you wish to remove from your account. Click on the card to view its details and options. Step 4. Choose the Remove option. Look for an option that says Remove Card or Delete Card. Click this option to initiate the removal process. Step 5. Confirm the removal. You will likely be prompted to confirm your decision. Review any information provided and confirm that you want to remove the card from your account. After completing these steps, your card will be removed from your Fifth Third bank account. If you encounter any issues, consider contacting customer support for assistance.